Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do unit number 3 variations Punjab textbook board. Exercise 3.1. Express the following as a ratio A ratio B and as a fraction in its simplest lowest form. Part 1, rupees 750, rupees 1250. 750 ratio 1250. 750 over 10 ratio 1250 over 10 divide by 10. 0 से cancel. 75 equal 125. 75 equal 125. 75 5 ones are 5 to carry 5 5s are 25. 5 15s are 75 and 5 25s are 125. 15 ratio 25. 15 ratio 25. 15 ratio 25 divide by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 3 ratio 5. Part 2, 4 centimeter and 3 meter. Solution: 4 centimeter and 3 meter multiplied by 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 300 centimeter. 400 centimeter and 300 centimeter. 0 से cancel. 45 multiplied by 45 ratio 30. 45 ratio 30. 45 5 9s are 45. 5 6s are 30. 5 9s are 45. 5 6s are 30. 3 ratio 2 equal 3 over 2. Part 3, 4 kg and 2 kg 750 gram. 4 kg ratio 2 kg 750 gram. 4 kg multiply by 1000. 4000 kilogram and 2 kg multiply by 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 2 kg multiply by 1000. 2 ones are 2. 2750. 4000 ratio 2750 gram. 4000 ratio 2750 gram. 0 से 0 cancel. 400 ratio 275. 400 ratio 275. 400 275. 5 8s are 40. 0 5 5s are 25 to carry 5 5s are 25. 80 ratio 55. 80 ratio 55 divide by 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 carry 30. 5 6 are 30. 16 and 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 11s are 55. 16 ratio 11. 16 ratio 11. Part 4, 27 meter minute 30 second and 1 hour. 27 minute point 30 second ratio 1 hour. 27 multiplied by 60 plus 30. 27 multiplied by 30 second equal 1 multiplied by 60. 1 second. मिनट को पहले आज को मिनट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, मिनट को फिर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 तो 1650 एंड 3600. 1 आवर में सेकंड्स कितने होते हैं? 3600 एंड 27 मिनट प्लस 30 सेकंड्स. टोटल सेकंड्स वी ऐड दीज सेकंड्स इक्वल 1650 इक्वल 3600. 0 से कैंसल. 165 एंड 360. 165 एंड 360 डिवाइड बाय 5. 5 3 द 15. 1 कैरी 5 3 द 15. 5 6 जा 5 5 जा 35. 5 7 जा 35. 5 जा 25. 7 जा 35. 1 कैरी 5 2 जा 10. 72. 33 रेशियो 72. 3 1 जा 3. 3 1 जा 3. 3 11 जा 33 एंड 3 2 जा 6. 1 कैरी 3 4 जा 12. 11 रेशियो 24 इक्वल 11 over 24. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In a class of 60 students, 25 students are girls and remaining students are boys. Compute the ratio of boys to total students. Solution: total students equal 60. Number of girl students 25. Number of boy students 60 minus 25 equal 35. 60 minus 25 equal 35. 25 ratio 60 25/5 रेशियो 60/5 बॉयज टू गर्ल, ये बॉयज टू टोटल स्टूडेंट्स है 60 and 25 and 60 total number of girls, boys to total students, number of boys student 35, 25 ratio 60, 25 ratio 60, 5 5 are 25, 5 1s are 5 to carry, 5 1s are 5, 1 carry 10, 5 2s are 10, and 5 ratio 12 boys to girl, 35 ratio 25, 35 ratio 25, 5 7 are 35 and 5 5 are 25, 7 ratio 5. Question number 3, if 3 into 4x minus 5y equal 2x minus 7y, find the ratio x ratio y. Solution 3, 4x minus 5y equal 2x minus 7y. 12x minus 15y equal 2x minus 7y. 12x minus 2y equal 15y minus 7y. 10x equal 10y. 8y. 12x minus 2y equal 10x. 15y minus 7y. 15 minus 7 equal 8y. x ओवर वेरिएबल एक साइड पे कर देंगे, कांस्टेंट एक साइड पे कर देंगे. x ओवर y इक्वल 8 ओवर 10. x ओवर y इक्वल 4 to the 8 5, 2 4 the 8 and 2 5 the 10. 2 4 the 8 and 2 5 the 10 divided by 2. We write the mistakenly 8 and 2 4 the 8 and 2 5 the 10. X ratio y equal 4 ratio 5. Divide by 10, no, divided by 2. Mistakenly write in, it is written mistakenly divide by 10, no, divided by 2. Find the value of p if the ratio 2p plus 5, ratio 3p plus 4 and 3 ratio 4 are equal. As the given ratios are equal, so 2p plus 5 ratio 3p plus 4 equal 3 ratio 4. 2p plus 5 divided by ratio convert into divided. 3p plus 4 equal 3 over 4. By cross multiplication 2p plus 5 multiply by 4 and 3p plus 4 multiply by 3. 3 3 the 9, 9p plus 3 4 the 12. 4 to the 8, 8p plus 2 5 the 5 4 the 20. 9p p वैल्यू एक साइड पे कर देंगे, कांस्टेंट वैल्यू एक साइड पे कर देंगे. 9p माइनस 8p इक्वल p, 20 माइनस 12 इक्वल 8, p इक्वल 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. इफ द रेशियो 3x प्लस 1 रेशियो 6 प्लस 4x and 2 ratio 5 are equal, find the value of x. As given ratio are equal, so 3x plus 1 ratio 6x, 6 plus 4x equal 2 ratio 5. Ratio convert into division form. 3x plus 1 divided by 6 plus 4x equal 2 over 5. 2 divided by 5. By cross multiplication 3x plus 1, 5 into 3x plus 1 and 2 into 6x, 6, 2 into 6 plus 4x, 5 into 3 plus 1 and 2 into 6 plus 4x. 5 3 is 15 x plus 5 1 is 5, 2 6 is 12 plus 2 4 is 8x. 15x वेरिएबल एक साइड पे करेंगे. 15x माइनस 8x इक्वल 12 माइनस 5. 15 minus 8 equal 7, 7x equal 7. Dividing through out by 7 we get x equal 1. 7 7x से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इस साइड पे जाकर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 7 1 जा 7, x equal 1. Question number 6. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:8. If 9 is added to check number, we get a new ratio 8:11. Find the numbers. Same question. Question is 5. Question number 6 as it is question number 5. So we can solve question number 7. if 10 is added in each number of the ratio 4:13, we get a new ratio 1:2. What are the numbers? Because the ratio of two numbers is 4:13, multiply each number of the ratio with x, then the numbers be 4x 13x and the ratio become 4x:13x. Now according to given conditions we have 4x plus 10 ratio is converted into division form 13x plus 10 equal 1/2. By cross multiplication 13x plus 10 into 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 into 4x plus 10. 13 1s are 13 plus 10 1s are 10. 2 4s are 8x plus 10 2s are 20. 13x वेरिएबल वन साइड पे करेंगे 13x माइनस 8x इक्वल 20 माइनस 10. 13x minus 8x equal 5x and 20 minus 10 20 minus 10 equal 10. 5x equal 10. 5 dividing both sides on by 5 we get, और 5x से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा उस साइड पे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 5x equal 5 2 10. x equal to the required number are 4x. तो into equation 1 4x 4 x equal 2. The value, put the value of x 4x equal 4 2 4 to the 8 and 13x 13, put the value of x 2 13 to the 26. Find the cost of 8 kg of mangoes if 5 kg of mangoes cost rupees 250. Solution: let the cost of 8 kg mangoes be x rupees. Then in proportion from we have 8 kg ratio 5 kg proportion x ratio rupees 250. 8 kg 5 8 multiplied by 250 and 5 multiplied by x 5x 8 multiplied by 250 5x 5x 5 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है इस साइड पर आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 5 5 1 जा 5 5 जा 25 0 50 50 multiplied by 8 x equal 400. Question number 9. Question number 9. If a ratio b equal 7:6, find the value of 3a plus 5b ratio 7b minus 5a. Solution: given that a ratio b equal 7:6 or a over b equal 7/6, ratio converted into division form. Now 3a plus 5b ratio 7b minus 5a equal 3a plus 5b divided by 7b minus 5a. 3a plus 5b 7b minus 5a over b divided by 7b minus 5a. Dividing numerator and denominator by b. Numerator और denominator दोनों को हम b से डिवाइड कर देंगे. 3 इंटू ए ओवर बी प्लस 5 इंटू बी ओवर बी डिवाइडेड बाय 7 इंटू बी ओवर बी माइनस 5 ए ओवर बी. 3 इंटू 7 ओवर 6 प्लस 5 डिवाइड बाय 7 माइनस 5 7 ओवर 6 एंड 21 7 3 जा 21 डिवाइड बाय 6 प्लस 5 डिवाइड बाय 7 माइनस 5 तो 5 7 जा so 5 7 are 35 35 over 6 equal 21 plus 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 6 divided by 7 multiplied by 6 minus 35. 7 multiplied by 6 minus 35 over 6. 21 divided by 6 divide 30 plus 30 51 over 6 and 51 over 6 multiplied by 6 over 7 equal 51 over 7. Hence 3a plus 5b equal or ratio 7b minus 5a equal 51:7. 51 over 7 51:7. 6 6 से कैंसल 51 over 7 51 over 7 51 over 7 और 51:7. Question number 10. Complete the following if 24/7 minus 6/x then 4x. 24/7 equal 6/x. 24 को by cross multiplication 24x equal 6 7s are 42. 24x 6 7s are 42 और 6 multiplied by 7. तो 6 4 4x 24x 6 multiplied by 7 divided by 24 divided by 24. 6 4s are 24. 4x equal 7/4. X equal 7/4. X equal 7. X equal 7/4. If a 5a divided by 3x equal 15 by divided by y, then ay equal solution 5a over 3x equal 15 by over y. 5a multiplied by y by cross multiplication and 15b multiplied by 3x. 3x multiplied by 15 by 15 ay 15 5 ay equal 3x multiplied by 15 b. ay 5 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इस साइड पे डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 5 3 दा 15 3 3 दा 9. ay equal 9bx. Part 3. Part 3 is same to part 1 and part 2. So the third part is solved. You can solve the third part as it is part 1 and part 2. Find x in the following proper proportions: 3x minus 2 ratio 4, proportion 2x plus 3 ratio 7. Solution: 3x minus 2 ratio 4, proportion 2x plus 3 ratio 7. 3x minus 2 multiply by 7 and 2 ratio 4 multiply by 2x plus 3. 4 2x plus 3 and 7 3x minus 2. 7 3 the 21x minus 14, 7 to the 14, 4 to the 8x plus 4 3 the 12. 13x equal to 21x. वेरिएबल एक साइड पे करेंगे. 21x माइनस 8x. 21 माइनस 8 इक्वल 13x. 14 माइनस 40 प्लस 14, 12 प्लस 14 इक्वल 26. डिवाइडिंग both sides by 13 we get x equal to 3x minus 1 over 7 ratio 3 over 5, proportion 2x over 3 ratio 7 over 5. 3x minus 1 over 7 multiply by 7 by 2 and 3 ratio 5 multiply by 2x over 3 as it is question number 11 part number 1, and we can solve part number 3. X minus 3 over 2 ratio 5 over x minus 1, proportion x minus 1 over 3 ratio 4 over x plus 4. Solution: x minus 3 over 2 ratio 5 over x minus 1, proportion x minus 1 over 3 ratio 4 over x plus 4. X minus 3 over 2 ratio 5 over x minus 1, proportion equal x minus 3 over x minus 1 over 3 ratio 4 over x plus 4. Product of extreme, product of means. Product of extreme and product of means. X minus 3 over 2 multiply by 4 over x plus 4 equal 5 over x minus 1, x minus 1 over 3. 2 into x minus 3 over x plus 4. 2 into x minus 3 x plus 4 equal 5 over 3. 3 into 2x minus 6. By cross multiplication 2x minus 6 multiply by 3 and x plus 4 multiply by 5. So 3 to the 6x minus 6 3 the 18, 5x plus 5 4 the 20. 6x minus 5x equal x. 18 plus 20 equal 38. So x equal 38. Exercise 3.1 part number 5. Part number 4 p square plus pq plus q ratio x proportion pq minus q cube p plus q ratio p minus q whole square. p square plus pq plus q square ratio x proportion pq minus q cube divide by p plus q ratio p minus q whole square. p square plus pq plus q square ratio x pq minus q cube divide by p plus q ratio p minus q whole square. Product of means product of extreme. The value of p square multiply plus pq plus q square is multiplied by p minus q whole square, and x multiplied by pq minus q cube divided by p plus q. X p minus q whole square and pq minus q cube p plus q, and p square plus pq plus q square plus pq, and p minus q p square plus pq plus q square. X equal p square plus pq plus q square कैंसल, p स्क्वायर प्लस पी क्यू प्लस क्यू डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमिनेटर से कैंसिल हो गया, p माइनस क्यू से कैंसिल, p माइनस क्यू p प्लस क्यू द फॉर्मूला p माइनस क्यू p प्लस क्यू p स्क्वायर माइनस q स्क्वायर. पार्ट नंबर 5 as it is to part number 4, 3 and 2. So you can say very easily to solve the part 5. Variations. The word variation is frequently used in all science. There are two types of variations: direct variation, inverse variation. Direct variations, if two quantities are related in such a way that increase decrease in one quantity cause increase decrease in the other quantity, then this variation is called direct variations. And the sign read as varies. Inverse variations, if two quantities are related in such a way that when one quantity increase and the other decrease, is called inverse variation. In other words, if a quantity y varies inversely with regard to quantity x, we say that y. Exercise 3.2. If y varies directly as x and y equal 8 when x equal 1, find the value of y in terms of x. Solution: given that y varies directly as x, therefore y constant x, y equal kx, where k is constant of variation. Put x equal 2 and y equal 8 in equation 1. We have to 8 equal k 2. जब k को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2k इक्वल 8, 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, इस साइड पर डिवाइड, 2 4 द 8, k इक्वल 4. पुट k इक्वल 4 इन इक्वेशन 1, वी गेट y इक्वल 4x. y when x equal, find the value of y when x equal 5. Give that y varies directly as x is, therefore y constant x, y equal kx. Where k is constant of variation, put x equal 2 and y equal 4 in equation 1. We have to 2k equal 8, k equal 4. Put k equal 4 and x equal 5 in equation 1. We get y equal 50. Multiply by 4 equal 20. K and 4 value. X when y equal 28. Solution: given that y varies directly as x, therefore y constant x, y equal kx. 8 equal, put the value of x and y in equation 1. We have 8 equal k2. k2, k multiplied by 2, 2k equal 8, k equal 4. Put k equal 4 and y 28 in equation 1. We get 28 equal 4x. 4 मल्टीप्लाई और x के साथ इस साइड पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 4 7 28, x इक्वल 7. if y constant x and y equals 7, when x equal 3, find the value of y in terms of x. Put the value of 3 and y equals 7 in equation 1 we have, as it is same question of question number 1. So we can say easy question and we can solve this question. Part 2, x when y equal 35, the given value of 35, and y when x equal 18. Solution: find the value of x when y equal 35 and find the value of y when x equal 18, as it is question number 1. Question number 3, if r constant t and r equal 5, when r equal 8, find the equation connecting r and t. Also find r when t equals 64 and f when r 20. Given that r constant at t, r equal a kt, put the value of r and t. 5 multiplied by 8k. 8 multiplied by k, 8k equal 5, k equal 5 over 8. Put k 5 over 8 in equation 1, we get r equal 5 over 8t. Put t 64 and equation 2, we get r equal 5 over t multiplied by 64. 5 multiplied by 8, 5 8 is 40. 8 8 is 64, 5 8 is 40. Put r equal 20 and equation 2, we get 20 equal 5 over 8t. If constant t square and r equal 8, when t equal 3, find r and t equal 6. Very simple. Question number 3, question number 2 and question number 1 is very same is as it is question number 4 and question number 5, question number 6, question number 7 and question number 8. If y constant 1 over x by inverse proportion and y equal 4, when x equal 3, find x when y equal 24. Solution: given that y constant x, y equal kx, put the value of y equal 4 and x equal 3 in equation 1, we get 4 equal k over 3. k multiply by k 3 डिवाइड हो रहा है उस साइड पर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 4 3 is 12, so k equal 12. Put the value of k and x equal 24 in equation 1, we get 24 equal 12 over x. 12 over x, 12 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है इस साइड पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 12 over 24, x equal 12 on the 12, 12 to the 24, and question number 9 as it is question number 8 by inverse proportion. Question number 10, a constant 1 over r square and a equal 2 when r equal 3, find r when a equal 72. Given that a constant 1 over r square, a equal 1 over r square, put a equal 2 and r equal 3 in equation 1, we get 2 equal k over 3 square. 3 is a 9, 9 to the 18, k equal 18. Put k equal 18 and a equal 72 in equation 1, as it is question number 9 and question number 8. Then question number 11, a constant 1 over b square and a equal 3 when b equal 4, find a when b equal 8. Given that a constant 1 over b square, a equal k over b square. Put a equal 3 and b equal 4 in equation 1. 3 a, find the value, putting the value of a. 3 equal k over b square, 4 square. 4 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 3, 48. K equal 48. Put k 48 and b 8 in equation 1, we get a equal 48 over 8 square equal 48. 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. So 16 3 is 48 and 16 4 is 48. 8 a equal 3 over 4. Exercise 3.2, question number 12 is same to question number 9 and 10, and find the question, solve the question number 13. m constant 1 over n square and m equal to when n equal 4 find when n equal 6 and when m equal 432. Given that m constant 1 over n cube, m equal k over n cube, put m equal 2 and n equal 4 in equation 1, we get 2 equal k over 4 cube. 2 equal to 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. 64 multiplied by 2, 128. Put k 128 and n 6 in equation 1, we get m equal 120 over 6 cube. 6 cube equal 216. 128 over 216. M equal 116 over 27. Put k equal 128 m equal 432 in equation 1, we get 432 equal 128 n cube. 128 432 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इस साइड पे डिवाइड हो जाएगा और n इक्वल n क्यूब इक्वल 128 ओवर 432 एंड 128 डिवाइड बाय 432 इक्वल 8 over 27. 8 2 to the 4 4 to the 2 cube 3 to the 9 9 to the 27 3 n cube equal 2 over 3 whole cube. N equal by square root on both side, n equal 2 over 3. N equal 2 over 3. Exercise 3.2, find the third, fourth, mean and continuous proportion. Third proportional, if three quantities A, B and C are related as A ratio B proportion B ratio C, then C is called the third proportion. Fourth proportional, if four quantities A, B, C and D are related as A ratio B proportion C ratio D, then D is called the fourth proportional. Mean proportional, if three quantities A, B and C are related A ratio B proportion B ratio C, then B is called the mean proportional. Continue proportion, if three quantities A, B and C are related as A ratio B proportion B ratio C, where A is first, B is the mean and C is the third proportional, then A, B and C are in continue proportion. Exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, find a third proportional to 6 ratio 12. Solution, let's see by the third proportionals. Let x, let y, let c as you saw. 6 ratio 12 proportional 12 ratio c. 6 multiplied by c, 12 multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 12, 144 and 6 multiplied by c, 6c. c 6 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इस साइड पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 6 2 द 12, 2 कैरी, 6 4 द 24, so c equal 24. Part 2, part 3 and part 4 is same to part 1. And next part 5. Solution, let c be the third proportional, then x plus y whole square ratio x square minus xy minus 2y square proportional x square minus xy minus 2y square ratio 6. X plus y whole square multiplied by c ratio x equal x square minus xy minus 2y square multiplied by x square minus xy minus 2y square. X square minus xy minus 2y square, x square minus xy minus 2y square, x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square. Simple. Value x minus 2y and x plus x square minus xy minus 2y square. Formula combine करेंगे तो x minus 2y x plus y, x plus y, x minus 2y का whole square, x plus y square. x plus y square से cancel. Your answer is c equal x minus 2y whole square. And part 6 is same to part 5. And question number 2. Find the fourth proportional to 5 8 15. Solution, let x be the fourth proportional, then 5 ratio 8 proportional 15 ratio x. Product of strings, product of means 5 multiplied by x 5x, 8 multiplied by 15 8 multiplied by 15, 5 in 5 multiplied by x 5x से मल्टीप्लाई और आई साइड पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 5 3 15 8 3 24, x इक्वल 24. पार्ट 2 4x पावर 4 कॉमा 2x क्यूब कॉमा 18x पावर 5. Solution, let's see be the fourth proportional, then 4x power 4 ratio 2x cube proportional 8x power 5 ratio c. 4x power 4 multiplied by c equal 2x cube multiplied by 18x power 5. 2x cube multiplied by 18x power 5. 4x power 4 मल्टीप्लाई इस साइड पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 18 to the 36 x क्यूब प्लस x5 x8 एंड 4x4 4 9 the 36 x4 x4 पावर लेस होगी. रिमेनिंग जो पावर बची है हमारे पास वो है x पावर 4, c इक्वल 9x पावर 4. एंड part 3 part 4 part 5 is same. We can solve part 6. p square minus q square, p square plus pq plus q square, p cube plus q cube and comma p cube minus q cube. Let x by the fourth proportional, p cube p square minus q square, p square plus pq plus q square ratio p cube plus q cube proportional p cube minus q cube minus ratio x minus q cube and ratio x ratio and proportional. Simple value, ratio and proportional. Product of the same, p square minus q square, p square plus pq plus q square multiply by x equal pq plus q cube ratio pq minus q cube ratio and proportional. The value of ratio, what is ratio? The quantitative relation between two amounts showing the number of times one value contain or is contained with other, that is called ratio. And what is proportional? What is proportion? Proportion is equal to 1 is equal. Proportion a part, share or number considered in comparative relation to a whole. Proportional corresponding in size or amount to something x p क्यूब प्लस क्यू क्यूब p क्यूब माइनस क्यू क्यूब, दोनों का फार्मूला ओपन करेंगे, p क्यूब प्लस क्यू क्यूब p क्यूब माइनस क्यू क्यूब, p प्लस क्यूब p स्क्वायर माइनस p क्यूब प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर p क्यूब माइनस क्यू क्यूब, p प्लस क्यूब p क्यूब माइनस क्यू क्यूब, p क्यूब माइनस p क्यूब से कैंसिल एंड p प्लस क्यू से कैंसिल, c इक्वल p स्क्वायर माइनस p क्यूब प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर. Question number 3. Find mean proportional between 20 and 45. Solution. Let m be the mean proportional, then 20 ratio m proportional m ratio 45. m multiplied by m and 20 multiplied by 45. m multiplied by m square, 20 multiplied by 45 900, m equal both square root on both sides, m square m equal plus minus 900 equal m equal plus minus 30. Part 2. 20x cube y square comma y x power 7 y. Let m be the mean proportional and 20x cube y square ratio m proportional m ratio 5x power 7 y. m multiplied by m square 20 multiplied by 5 एक्स क्यूब वाई स्क्वायर एक्स पावर 7 वाई मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 25 द 100 एक्स पावर 10 वाई पावर 6 एम स्क्वायर टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स एम स्क्वायर स्क्वायर से एम कैंसल स्क्वायर कैंसल एम एंड 100 एक्स पावर 10 वाई 6 10 एक्स पावर 10 वाई 6 1/2 1/2 10 square 1 over square 10 1 over 2 multiply 6 by 1 over 2 3 the 6 2 5 the 10 2 2 से cancel and 1 1 the 1 m equal plus minus 10 x power 5 y cube and part 3 and part 4 is same to part 1 and part 2 by mean proportional between 20 and 45 or 15 p4 qr cube 135 q power 5 r power 7 as it is to part 1 and part 2. Find the values of letter involved the following continue proportion 5 multiplied by p multiplied by 45 5 ratio p ratio 45 since 5p and 45 are continue proportion 5 ratio p proportion p ratio 45 p multiplied by p square 45 multiplied by 5 225 p taking square root on both side p 225 45 225 equal m plus minus 15 and part 2 is as it is to part 1 and part 3 12 comma 3p minus 6 comma 27 equal 12 ratio 3p minus 6 proportion 3p minus 6 ratio 27 3p minus 6 multiply 3p minus 6 equal 12 multiplied by 27 3p minus 6 whole square equal 324 3p minus 6 whole square root taking square root on both sides 324 taking square root plus minus 18 3p minus 6 equal minus 18 3p equal 6 minus 18 3p equal minus 12 p equal minus 4 3 multiply और आई साइड पे डिवाइड हो जाएगा 3 4 दा 12 p equal minus 4 और 3p minus 6 equal 18 3p equal 18 plus 6 3p equal 24 p equal 8 7m minus 3 comma 28 part 4 as it is to part 3 so we can say very easy to solve this question 3.3 theorems on proportions if four quantities a b c and a form of proportions then may other useful properties may be deducted by the properties of fractions theorem of inverse a ratio b equal c ratio d then a ratio b ratio a equal d ratio c theorem of alteration जिसकी कहते हैं अल्टर फॉर्म में अल्टरनेटो कहते हैं इसे a ratio b equal c ratio d a ratio c equal b ratio d theorem of componendo a ratio b equal c ratio d then a plus b ratio b equal c plus d ratio d a plus a ratio a plus b equal c ratio c plus d theorem of dividendo a ratio b equal c ratio d then a minus b ratio b equal c minus d ratio d a ratio a minus b equal c ratio c minus d theorem of componendo and dividendo and 3.4 exercise is solving by componendo and dividendo prove that a ratio b equal c ratio d if 4a plus 5b divided by 4a minus 5b equal 4c plus 5d over 4c minus 5d given 4a plus 5b 4a minus 5b 4c plus 5d 4c minus 5d by componendo dividendo theorem we have 4a plus 5b plus 4a plus 5b and dividendo 4a minus 5b minus 4a minus 5b equal 4c plus 5d plus 4c minus 5d, 4c plus 5d minus 4c minus 5d, and multiply on both 4a plus 5b plus 4a minus 5b, 4a plus 5b minus 4a plus 5b equal 4c plus 5d plus 4c minus 5d and 4c plus 5d minus 4c minus 5d, and 8a over 10b, 8a over 10b, 4a minus 4a plus 4a से कैंसल, प्लस 5b माइनस 5b से कैंसल, एंड 4a 8a 4 4 4 4 ज़ा 8 8a 5 5 10, 8a over 10b equal 8c over 10d as it is this part. Multiplying both sides by 10 over 8 we get a over b equals c over d. 8 over 10 and 8 over 10 multiply by and divided by 10. We ignore these values. A over b equals c over d, a ratio b equals c ratio d to prove that. Part 5, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5 is same as it is part question number 1. Exercise 3.4 question 1 and part 1 is same to part 5. Part 4, part 5 and part 7. Part 6 and part 7. Part 6, a plus b plus d plus c plus d, a plus b minus c minus d equal a minus b plus c minus d, a minus b minus c plus d. A plus b plus c plus d, a plus b minus c minus d equal a minus b plus c minus d, a minus b minus c plus d. By componendo and dividendo, 2a plus 2b over 2c plus 2d equal 2a minus 2b 2c minus 2d. 2 into a plus b 2 into c plus d equal 2 into a minus b 2 into c minus d. By componendo and dividendo formula. A plus b plus a minus b, a plus b minus a minus b, c plus d plus c minus d, c plus d minus c minus d. A plus b plus a minus b, a plus b minus a plus b equals c plus d plus c minus d, c plus d minus c plus d. So equal 2a over 2b equal to c over 2d equal to 2 से कैंसिल, 2 से कैंसिल, a over b equal 2 over c, a over b equal c, a ratio b equal c ratio d. So a over b we can say equal c over d. Hence proved part number 7 as it is part number 6. 3.4 using theorem of componendo dividendo. Find the value of x plus 2y divided by x minus 2y plus x plus 2z divided by x minus 2z if x equal 4yz divided by y plus z equal 4xz y plus z or x equal 2y equal to y plus 2z y plus z. Applying the component dividendo we get x plus 2y x minus 2y equal y plus 3 x minus z minus y. Now x equal 4y z divided by y plus z or x equal 2y 2z y plus z. By applying component dividendo theorem we get, दोबारा जो है हम उस पर जो है फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देंगे कंपोनेंट डिवाइडेंडो का. स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड्स वी गेट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8p स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस p स्क्वायर इक्वल 4. मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स by cross multiplication on both sides. 4 into x square minus p square equal x square plus 8p square. 4x square minus 4p square equal x square plus 8p square. 4x square minus x square 8p square plus 4p square. 3x square equal 12p square. X square 12p square over 3 3 4 are 12 4p square. 4p square. Exercise 3.5. If s varies directly as u square and inversely as v and s equals 7, when m equal 3, v equal 2, find the value of s when u equal 6 and v equal 10. Given that s varies directly as u square, so s constant u square. Also given that s varies inversely as v, so constant 1 over v. In joint variation we can write s constant u square over v. S equal k u square over v. Put s equal 7, u equal 3 and v equal 2 in equation 1. We get 7 equal k 3 square over 2. 7 equal 3 is a 9, 9k over 2 or 9k over 2 equal 7. Multiply both sides by 2 over 9, we get 2 over 9, 9 over 2 equal k over k equals 7 multiplied by 2 equals 7 to the 14, 14 over 9. Put k equal 14 and 9 in equation 1. We get the answer 14 over 9. If put u equal 6 and v equal 10 in equation 2, we get 14 multiplied by u square divided by 9v. 14 multiplied by 36. 6 square 6 6 36. 9v, the value of v equal 10, 9 multiplied by 10. 504 over 9 times 90. 9 times 90 and 504 50 10 5s are 50. So 504 and 90, 504 divided by 90 equal 28 over 5. If u varies directly as x square and inversely as the product yz cube and u equal to, when x equal 8, y equal 7, z equal 2, find the value of u when x equal 6, y equal 3, z equal 2. Given that varies directly as x square, therefore u constant x square, as it is question number 3. In joint variation we can write v constant x y cube over z square, v equal k x y cube over z square. Put v equal 27, x equal 7 and y equal 6 and z equal 7. We get 27k 7, 6 cube 7 square. 27k 7 2016, 6 whole cube 216 and 7 7s are 49. 27 7 multiplied by 216, 1512k over 49, or k equal 27 multiplied 49 divided by 1512 equals 7 over 8. 1323 divided by 1512 equals 7 over 12. Put k equals 7 over 8 in equation 1. We get answer. We get the answer. If w varies inversely as the cube of u and w equal y, when y equal 3, find w when u equal 6. Given that v varies directly as u cube, therefore w constant 1 over u cube, w equal k over u cube. Putting the value of w and u in equation 1, we get the answer 5 equal k over 3 cube. K equal 27 multiplied by 5, 27 multiplied by 5. 5 7 the 35, 5 carry, 5 to the 10, 10 and 3 13, 135. Put k equal 135 in equation 1, we get w equal 135 over u cube. Put u equal 6 in equation 2, we get the answer w by 135 and u equal 6 cube. 135 equal 216 over 5 over 8. K method. Use K method to prove conditional equalities involving proportions if A ratio B proportion C ratio D is a proportion, then putting each ratio equal to K, A over B equal C over D equal K, A over B equal K and C over D equal K, A equal BK and C equal DK. Exercise 3.6, if A ratio B equal C ratio D, then A, B, C not equal to 0, then show that. 4A minus 9B divided by 4A plus 9B equal 4C minus 9D divided by 4C plus 9D. Given A ratio B equal C ratio D, A over B equal C over D equal K, A over B equal K एंड सी ओवर डी इक्वल के, बी डिवाइड हो रहा है उस साइड पर जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ए इक्वल बी के एंड सी इक्वल डी के. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल है राइट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. 4a माइनस 9b डिवाइड बाय 4a प्लस 9b, 4b के माइनस 9b, 4b के प्लस 9b. तो b इज कॉमन 4k माइनस 9, b इज कॉमन 4k प्लस 9, 4k माइनस 9 एंड 4k प्लस 9. राइट हैंड साइड 4c माइनस 9d, 4c प्लस 9d, 4dk माइनस 9d, dk एंड 9d, 4dk प्लस 9d, d इज कॉमन 4k माइनस 9 and d is common 4k plus 9. 4k minus 9 and 4k plus 9 is given the numbers, we get the answer. From 1 and 2 we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. 4a minus 9b divided by 4a plus 9b, 4c minus 9d divided by 4c plus 9d. Part 3 is also same to part 1. Part number 6, a square plus b square ratio a square over a plus b equals c square plus d square ratio c square over c plus d. Let a over b equal c over d equal a over a equal bk and c equal dk. Left hand side and right hand side a square plus b square equal a square over ab. Right hand side c square plus d square ratio c square over c plus d. A square plus b square multiply a plus b over a cube, b square k square plus b square multiply bk multiply b cube k cube, b square k square plus 1 multiply by b into k plus 1 divided by b3 cube b cube q k cube. So right hand side c square plus d square ratio c square over c plus d, c square plus d square multiply by c plus d over c cube. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. Exercise 3.6, question number 2, if a over b equal c over d equal e over f, a b c d e f not equal to 0, then show that a over b is equal to square root a square plus ab plus e square, b square plus d square plus f square. Let a over b equal c over d equal e over f equal k. A over b equal k, c over d equal k and e over f equal k. A equal bk, c equal dk and e equal fk. Left hand side a over b, bk over b, bk over b equal b से cancel k. Right hand side a square plus b square plus e square divided by b square plus d square plus f square is square root. b square k square plus d square k square plus f square k square, b square plus d square plus f square, k square into b square plus d square plus f square, b square plus d square plus f square equal to k square का square root, k equal 1 equal to k value. From 1 and 2 we have left hand side and right hand side, hence a over b a square plus b square plus e square divided by b square plus d square plus f square is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Part 3 is same part 1. Question 2 part 1. And AC part 3, AC over BD plus CE over DF plus EA over FB equal A square over B square plus C square over D square plus E square over F square. Solution: let A over B equal C over D equal E over F equal K. A over B, A equal BK, C equal DK and E equal FK. Left hand side, AC over BD plus CE over DF plus EA plus FB. BK DK divided by BD multiply by DK multiply by FK plus FK multiply by BK divided by FB. BD K square over BD plus DF K square over DF plus FB K square over FB. K square plus BD से कैंसिल, DF से कैंसिल, FB से कैंसिल, X स्क्वायर प्लस K स्क्वायर प्लस K स्क्वायर इक्वल इंटू 3K स्क्वायर. राइट हैंड साइड इज सेम टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. A स्क्वायर ओवर B स्क्वायर प्लस C स्क्वायर ओवर D स्क्वायर प्लस E स्क्वायर ओवर F स्क्वायर. B स्क्वायर ओवर K स्क्वायर ओवर B स्क्वायर प्लस D स्क्वायर K स्क्वायर ओवर D स्क्वायर प्लस F स्क्वायर K स्क्वायर ओवर F स्क्वायर. B स्क्वायर से कैंसिल, D स्क्वायर से कैंसिल, F स्क्वायर से कैंसिल, K स्क्वायर प्लस K स्क्वायर 3K स्क्वायर. फ्रॉम we prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence AC over BD plus CE over DF plus CA over JB equal A square over B cube plus C square over D square equal E square over F square. Now we have completed our unit 3. Make sure the practice at your home. Stay at home students. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Take care yourself.